The future of luxury travel has officially arrived. What if a motorhome could deliver the elegance of a private jet, the comfort of a 5-star penthouse, and the power of a high-performance SUV all in one breathtaking machine? Today, we're stepping inside one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced RV concepts ever imagined. And believe me, this is not your ordinary motorhome. Welcome back to Auto Vibe, where innovation meets luxury and every vehicle tells a story of the future. In today's exclusive full-length episode, we're exploring the incredible 2027 Cadillac luxury motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece that completely transforms the meaning of life on the road. From its jaw-dropping exterior design to its ultra-premium interior, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and elite lifestyle appeal, this is the ultimate luxury experience on wheels. At first glance, the 2027 Cadillac motorhome looks like it rolled straight out of a futuristic Hollywood film. The design is bold, elegant, and unmistakably Cadillac. Its sculpted aerodynamic body features sharp signature lines, a massive illuminated crystal-style Cadillac grille, ultra-thin vertical LED lighting, and a seamless gloss black fascia that creates an aggressive yet sophisticated road presence. The panoramic windshield stretches across the front like a luxury observation deck, while flush-mounted windows and hidden door handles enhance the clean futuristic aesthetic. Every inch of the exterior feels premium. The pearl white paint glows beautifully under ambient lighting, reflecting off polished chrome accents and oversized luxury alloy wheels. Motorized slide-out sections expand automatically to create a spacious living environment, while adaptive airflow channels and active aerodynamic systems improve both stability and efficiency on the highway. This isn't simply a vehicle. It's a moving luxury mansion engineered for the modern elite traveler. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more extraordinary. The interior of the 2027 Cadillac motorhome feels less like an RV and more like an ultra-luxury penthouse suite designed for billionaires. Soft ambient lighting flows across the cabin, highlighting handcrafted white leather seating, open-pore wood finishes, brushed aluminum trim, and glossy marble surfaces. Every material has been carefully selected to create a calm, futuristic atmosphere filled with elegance and comfort. The main lounge area features oversized reclining captain chairs, a futuristic curved sofa, and a massive retractable OLED cinema display that transforms the living space into a private luxury theater. Above, a panoramic digital skylight simulates natural daylight during the day and a glowing star-filled sky at night. The atmosphere inside feels peaceful, modern, and unbelievably luxurious. The kitchen rivals high-end luxury apartments with premium integrated appliances, illuminated cabinetry, marble countertops, a smart induction cooking system, hidden refrigeration compartments, and even a built-in wine cooler for premium travel experiences. Every corner of the cabin is designed with both beauty and functionality in mind. As we move toward the master suite, Cadillac's attention to detail becomes even more impressive. The bedroom features a floating king-size memory foam bed surrounded by soft ambient lighting and panoramic side windows that create a stunning open space feeling. Advanced climate control systems allow personalized comfort settings for different sections of the cabin, while soundproof insulation creates an incredibly quiet and relaxing environment even while driving. The spa-inspired bathroom continues the luxury theme with heated marble flooring, a rainfall shower surrounded by illuminated glass panels, floating vanity lighting, premium chrome fixtures, and a futuristic smart mirror with integrated digital controls. It feels more like an elite luxury hotel suite than something traveling down the highway. But this motorhome isn't just about comfort and appearance. Underneath its elegant design lies an engineering powerhouse. The 2027 Cadillac motorhome is built on an advanced next-generation luxury touring platform combining performance, intelligence, and stability. Buyers can choose between a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine or a revolutionary dual-motor all-electric AWD system powered by GM's newest Ultium battery technology. The performance numbers are astonishing for a vehicle of this size. The electric version delivers nearly 600 horsepower with instant torque acceleration, allowing the massive luxury coach to move with surprising speed and smoothness. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts ride height and comfort levels, while rear-wheel steering dramatically improves maneuverability in tight spaces and luxury campgrounds. Driving this machine feels effortless. The steering is smooth, cabin vibration is minimal, and advanced road scanning suspension technology absorbs imperfections before passengers even feel them. Whether crossing desert highways, mountain roads, or luxury coastal routes, the experience remains quiet, stable, and refined. Technology inside the 2027 Cadillac Motorhome feels years ahead of anything currently on the market. A fully digital wraparound OLED cockpit display stretches across the dashboard, combining navigation, driving information, entertainment, and vehicle diagnostics into one seamless futuristic interface. Voice commands, gesture controls, and AI-assisted cabin management systems allow passengers to control lighting, seating, climate, media, and privacy settings instantly. The entire vehicle is connected through Cadillac's next-generation luxury travel network, allowing owners to remotely monitor battery levels, water systems, security, lighting, and climate controls directly from their smartphone or smartwatch. Starlink satellite internet keeps the cabin connected anywhere in the world, while a 360-degree intelligent camera system combined with lidar-assisted safety technology provides semi-autonomous driving capabilities and automated parking assistance. Safety is equally impressive. Cadillac has equipped the 2027 motorhome with one of the most advanced protection systems ever introduced in a luxury RV. Super Cruise autonomous driving technology, adaptive cruise control, emergency collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, lane centering, night vision assistance, and reinforced composite safety structures all work together to create an incredibly secure travel experience. Inside the cabin, biometric security systems, facial recognition entry, intelligent fire suppression technology, smoke and carbon monitoring systems, and real-time emergency communication services provide peace of mind for long-distance travelers and families alike. Cadillac designed this vehicle not only to pamper its passengers, but also to protect them at every moment. Of course, a masterpiece of this level comes with an elite price tag. The 2027 Cadillac luxury motorhome is expected to begin around $420,000 for the standard V8 configuration, while the fully electric AWD Luxury Edition could exceed $550,000 depending on custom options and bespoke interior packages. Exclusive paint finishes, solar energy systems, upgraded entertainment suites, and personalized luxury materials can push the price even higher. But this isn't simply a purchase. It's an investment into a completely different lifestyle. A lifestyle where freedom, comfort, prestige, and innovation travel together. Cadillac is targeting luxury, adventurers, celebrities, business executives, elite travelers, and high-end content creators who want the experience of a private luxury residence without sacrificing mobility. What truly makes the 2027 Cadillac Motorhome special is how beautifully it balances futuristic luxury with real-world practicality. Everything feels intentional. Every feature serves a purpose. Every design element contributes to the overall experience. Unlike traditional RVs that feel oversized and outdated, this vehicle feels modern, intelligent, and emotionally inspiring. Cadillac has successfully transformed the idea of luxury road travel into something elegant, cinematic, and deeply aspirational. This is more than transportation. It's a statement of freedom, innovation, and modern luxury living. And honestly, it's difficult not to imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising across breathtaking highways while surrounded by the comfort of a rolling 5-star suite. That concludes our exclusive deep dive into the extraordinary 2027 Cadillac luxury motorhome. A futuristic masterpiece that redefines what luxury travel can truly become. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of automotive luxury, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Auto Vibe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury vehicle experience. And now we want to hear from you. If this incredible Cadillac motorhome was parked in your driveway tomorrow, where would your first adventure take you? Thanks for watching Auto Vibe. Until next time, stay inspired, stay driven, and keep exploring the future of luxury mobility.